What is up, guys? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building with a quick unboxing of the Moto G6. This is available right now at Best Buy. You can go to bestbuy.com and order it, or you can walk right into the store and they do have them available. I just picked mine up today. They're available today. If you do have Verizon, you can probably get this for $199 if you activate it in store, or if you just activate it in general. But me, I was able to get it for $206. I do have some Best Buy rewards, so I use that to get it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the Moto G6, not to be confused with the G6 Play. This is actually has 5.8-inch display, and it has Snapdragon 450, 32 gigs of internal storage, and 3 gigs of RAM. I think I'm almost positive that this is available for all 4 carriers, Sprint, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T. Not 100% sure on that, but I do believe that this is available for all 4 carriers. Like I said, this is the black one, 32 gigabytes of memory of storage, 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigs of RAM. Let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. I already cut the tape. This is what you get. I thought that you would get a case with it, but apparently it doesn't say anything on the box about a case, so there's no case. Here's the phone, black. I like this color a whole lot better than the G6 Play, because the G6 Play is kind of like a bluish color. I like this one better. Personal preference, but you can see the cameras on the back. Got two cameras on the back. One is 12 megapixels, the other is 5 megapixels, and the one on the front is 8 megapixels. And we do have a front-facing firing speaker, so we only got one speaker. We got USB Type-C, we got the headphone jack, we got the Motorola logo right there, and on the front we do have that fingerprint reader on the front, and a microphone, and the words Motorola. So that's what we get in the box. Real quick, let's put this off to the side. We do get some manuals, quick start guide. We do get SIM tool to eject the SIM card, and we get turbo charging brick and the USB Type-C cable right there. So this is all we get in the box right here. No case, unfortunately, so not a huge deal, but we don't have any cases. No case comes with it like it did on the Moto G6 Play. So quick unboxing, guys. I will set this up and do a later video on it as far as my setup and all that, but so far so good. Once again, Moto G6 on deck. I do have the screen protector, which I'm about to take off. I just came out the store right now and did this quick unboxing. I'm still parked at Best Buy. So like I said, guys, you can pick it up for $199 if you activate it in store. Go to Best Buy website and check that out to give you some more information on it. But I believe you can get it for $199 if you activate it in store. Me personally, I got it for $206. Like I said, after taxes and everything, because I had some Best Buy rewards that I just used. But yeah, there you guys have it. Motorola G6 is in the building. I'm recording this with the OnePlus 6. I'll catch you guys on another one. Peace.